In today's video, I will talk about the benefit of having an evergreen, reliable, predictable, consistent income. I think this is very important, and most people don't have the experience when you rely on the money, and therefore they always chase for the next opportunity. And this video, I will show you a way that it is possible and it is absolutely worth it. But I think it requires different mindset. So it doesn't require to sell your time for money, like a job hourly rate or like a freelance gig or something like this. It's more like building an asset that constantly gives you money. And instead of chasing millions, you have to chase this and not chase, but you have to build this evergreen, reliable, predictable, consistent income. I call it grandma business or grandma style business because it's very family friendly. I think most of my folks or my audience is having small children or little family or we have soon. So it's very important that you build this kind of really or even when they are small children, so you don't have to rely on the government, for example, or worry about the external economy. But I will get into details. Now I will talk about the benefits of it. So the first thing is the evergreen, yes, viral. So I think, especially today's economy, is filled with this why he goes viral and you have to be famous. No, it's not. This you have to build an evergreen income source because it helps you to rely on, and you cannot even imagine the peace of mind that this gives you. So you don't have to chase the next viral things, or you can rely on this. This is my first point because it's very important. The thing I want to mention here is the investment or investor versus bootstrapping. I stand for bootstrapping. It means that you start a business without capital, without money. I think many people, especially in the startup world, they think, okay, we have to get an investment, this much money, and therefore we have to run this machine without this business without a profit for a while. And I think this is not true. It's certainly a way to do it, but I truly stand for bootstrapping, and I would like to debunk the myth that you cannot build a business without money because I think you business can, but it is an advantage if you don't have the money to start or if you have very little money. So it forces you to think and be resourceful. So instead of the other way of investing is investing your own money into ads or inventory, for example, and you have the Amazon, which is we had to upfront invest our money into inventory. I don't want this. I like bootstrapping. And one of the reasons why you create business is to give you money, not to invest in your money. Of course, you have to invest the money into tools, but you don't have to invest big time investments into, for example, inventory or ads. Other thing is not the government funds or EU funds versus possibly the same idea. You don't have to apply and hope for funds or government funds or government help. You can start on your own to have direct access to the market or demand and people who need your thing. So I think bootstrapping is one of the key differentiators. Constant hustle grind. I'm sure you have seen it because it's everywhere. Of course, I admire those people for a certain level, but I want peace of mind. I meditate first day, every day, and I recommend the same. And it keeps me, when I get the business, it has to give me a peace of mind. I hate when my phone rings with a child or when something emergency happens. I want to have a business for my lifestyle, not working in my business constantly, five days to five days like an emergency. I want to have peace of mind, and it gives you peace of mind. This kind of everything location dependent. Yes, I have to go to work. Some people figure it out, some not. So I think it's much easier in the online world. If you're not in the online world, you still have to go and you can change certain things to be more location independent. And I think it also it gives you peace of mind that you don't have to be anywhere in a certain time. So it gives you true location independent. A consistent income versus always chasing the next client or next gig. I think many freelancer friends have the same. When they have income, they constantly worry of it. Okay, if this goes away, then I have to find the next income source or the next client. And they still sell that time for money. That is not what I want. And also not what I want for you. I remember when I get into hospital and facing death, and when you look back, it's very important that you realize that okay, time is way much more important than money. You can kill as much money as you want, but time is limited, and once it's over, it's over. It's non-refundable. So always chasing the next trend is kind of a waste of time and a waste of your life. In my opinion, you want to create access that constantly bring in money and it gives you peace of mind. Evergreen reliable income versus putting through creations. I don't want to rely on any trends or any big product launches. I want to avoid big fluctuations. Instead, I want to be the evergreen reliable income. Depending on the government, family, friends, both economic, political situations, especially nowadays, environment is not safe. I want to create a true financial independence that I can rely on. And I find a way. Most people cannot even imagine what the predictable income gives them in terms of peace of mind. Imagine for a second that you don't have to be anywhere to make this income. You don't have to respond to anybody, not the boss, not the client, not anyone. And it gives you true freedom in terms of money, time, and location. I think this is very important and think kind of the dream that many have. I found a way to it. And in the next video, I will invite you to my program, Freedompreneur, that will teach you exactly this. How you can create an, a business from your knowledge that gives you freedom in terms of time, money, and location. So, hope to see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe in the link below.